Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's first launch the settings application and after that tap on the sound section. Here you will see the ringtone volume panel. That's not only ringtone volume panel, that's also notifications volume panel. So you can mute your device notifications just by slide to the left side this blue dot, and by this way you will mute ringtones and notifications. But if you want to stay with ringtones on your device, you can make it by the second way. Just unmute your ringtone volume panel. After that, just tap here on the default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to none. Just click to OK to save the changes, and after that all of your notifications, they will muted and you will stay with their ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.